The great architects, the secret world of Termites. Who hasn't heard of the little workers ants? Everyone knows ants are excellent builders, but in the world of insects, there are true architects, and their name is termites. They don't just build, they design. They create cities, and they do it without blueprints, without training, and without teachers. Imagine a city that begins underground, for years, quietly, patiently, until the first dome appears on the surface. Termites always begin with a foundation. Their nests can exist underground for several years before anyone even notices something is being built. They do not rush. They have time. Entire termite colonies could live for hundreds of years if not for floods, fires, and natural disasters. When the soil dries, construction stops. For a week, for a month, sometimes for years. But termites remember the house is not finished, and when the rains come, the work continues. The outer walls of a termite mound are hard as stone. Sometimes even a crowbar can barely break through. These walls are made from soil, saliva, and recycled material that becomes a kind of natural cement. Inside, there is a strict system of halls, corridors, and chambers. A true architectural masterpiece, even more organized than an anthill. No wonder termites are called the great architects of nature. Termites cannot tolerate direct sunlight, and they cannot survive dryness. So inside their nests, they create an artificial climate, almost constant temperature, high humidity, comfort. But they must leave to find food. So they build underground tunnels, covered galleries, stretching for dozens of kilometers. So they can travel and remain protected. In deserts, termites dig wells to reach groundwater. In the Karakum Desert, termite shafts have been found reaching depths of 40, 60, even over 100 meters. In African jungles, their nests look like pagodas, and giant mushrooms' layered roofs protect them from heavy rains. In Australia, live the incredible compass termites. Their mounds are always oriented strictly north to south. Why? So that at midday, the sun hits only a small surface area. A brilliant natural air conditioning system. Inside a termite mound live millions of creatures. They need air, yet from the outside there are no visible openings. How do they breathe? Termites create complex ventilation systems. Some mounds have real chimneys. Air passes through thin walls, constantly refreshing the air inside. True engineering. But the most amazing thing is not the walls, not the tunnels, not the ventilation. The most amazing thing is, how do they know how to build? Termites are blind. They do not learn. They do not see finished structures. They receive no instructions, and yet they build as if they are following a precise blueprint. So who placed this plan inside them? The Bible tells us the world was not created by accident. Behind this order stands intelligence, design, the Creator, and even in a tiny termite, the great wisdom of the Creator is reflected.